In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive if it's not working. We know that it's frustrating when something you rely on every day just doesn't seem to function properly. But don't worry, we're going to go through some simple steps that can often resolve these pesky issues. Start by opening up your web browser and navigating to the Google Drive homepage. This is a quick check to ensure that there isn't a more specific issue with your Google account or with the file you're attempting to access. Once you're at the Google Drive homepage, the first and often simplest check is to ensure your internet connection is stable. It's easy to overlook, but a weak or intermittent connection is a common culprit for problems with online services. Check if other websites are loading correctly, and maybe reset your router if things seem off. If everything else online appears to be running smoothly, and Google Drive is the only hiccup, move on to the next steps. Next, we'll delve into some browser settings. Look for the slider icon at the top of your browser, which typically represents settings or menus, then click on Site Settings. This is where we can manage data specific to the interaction between your browser and websites like Google Drive. Within these settings, look for the option to delete data. You might also see options to clear cache or cookies, which can sometimes hold on to outdated or corrupt data, causing the issue. By clearing this data, you're effectively giving Google Drive a fresh start, free from potential underlying glitches. If these initial steps haven't resolved the issue, a good troubleshooting practice is restarting your computer or laptop. It might seem overly simplistic, but rebooting a device can clear out temporary files and free up resources that might have been congested. Plus, it ensures new configurations and updates are properly applied, sometimes resulting in resolving ongoing compatibility issues. By following these actions, you often can rectify why Google Drive might not be functioning as it should on your device. The goal with these steps is to tackle common and easily fixable issues without having to dive into more complex or time-consuming solutions. If problems persist even after trying all these suggestions, it might be a sign there's a larger issue at play, potentially relating to your device's software or to the Google Drive service itself, in which case contacting Google support might be the best way forward. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos, as keeping you connected and informed is what we're here for. If you have any further questions or need additional clarification on the steps, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Have a great day and happy troubleshooting.